New palette smell. I love this palette. I love it so much. It's so cute. It's making me feel like a big kid again. Hi guys. Welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back with another review and tutorial over the new Morphe Lisa Frank collab. So I was able to pick up this palette at Ulta. Before I get all the way into this palette, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. We got a Lisa Frank palette. Y'all, I can't tell you how nostalgic this is. I wish I can find it. I probably got rid of it years, probably a decade ago. I have one of these folders, guys. Morphe collab with Lisa Frank. If y'all don't know, for the early 2000s and 90s kids, we all know about Miss Lisa Frank right here. We all had a lot of folders by her. She has the cute little holographic rainbow, neon, xenon kind of esque 2000s, late 90s kind of vibe, or 90s kind of vibe. Lisa Frank is so nostalgic to me. Let me tell y'all, I love this palette so much. It's just so nostalgic. I had a little notebook that was just like this, and literally it had the holographic kind of effect on it, but it had the ringlets on the side, and then instead of the leopard, it was a white kitty, and it had like bright blue eyes, but everything else in the back, it was like rainbow and had that holographic flash to it. I remember that folder, and I used to write used to write hearts in it. I would put my name in it, in the hearts. So I guess I love myself a lot, like still the same. But I really remember doing that. I remember writing notes in it to my friends, like throwing it to them across the class. Like, this is so nostalgic. So I could talk here forever about Lisa Frank stuff because I had her stuff. I thought I was cute walking around with this little holographic rainbow situation. Like, we all had them now, we all had them. This guy retail for 30 bucks. You can get them at Ulta and now at Morphe stores online, I believe now. Get at Ulta, you get the little $3.50 coupon off. So I got mine for like 28 bucks, y'all. Not bad, and I picked it right on up. So they at Ulta, they got a lot, and they got this cover. This packaging, they do come with 3 different covers. So they give you the traditional little leopard, a little tiger, little kitty cat, and then they give you ones with unicorns, and then they give you one with the aliens. Now, I wanted the alien one bad, but they literally did not have it in store to pick up, and I said, I just want the palette. And then I remembered I had a cute little kitty cat one, so I was like, I need to get another kitty cat one. So I did get the original kind of cover, I guess is probably, they added the other ones. But you can get those too, and I believe they're all the same price, it's just you can pick which cover you want, which I thought was so cute. I was like, okay, Morphe, okay, because you can do that with her, Lisa Frank, when you buy her stuff. She has all different covers. So with this palette, which is really cute, this opens like a notepad. So right here, you open it, and look, it opens, it's so cute. And inside is kind of like the black hollow kind of in there. And then all of these colors, y'all, they do have the different layers. On top, they have like all the whites, and they get down to colors, and they have the dark black and the blue. So right here too, on the other side, they give you a cute little heart mirror, and I'm gonna read you what it says. It's adorable. It says, color your world. It was a magical day when Morphe met the rainbows and whimsy of Lisa Frank's fantastic world. From bright bursts of blue to the perfect pop of pink, every shade of your imagination is in this palette. Let your most vibrant dreams come true. And then y'all, at the bottom, this is what got me, besides it being like a book, like a little notebook. Y'all, look at the bottom. This palette belongs to, and then you can write your name! I thought this was so freaking cute, y'all. I'm like losing my mind over this. I said, this is too nostalgic, too nostalgic. I remember all of this, like you would write your name in there and everything, like it's too much. It's too much. And the preteen and elementary school me, it's too much. I'm like, I remember all of this, oh my God. You could write it in there. I remember that we used to write our names onto, like, that's my notepad. Like, literally, this is too nostalgic. I'm like so hyped. Like, this is one thing that I'm like, this gets me as hyped as pastels. Like, I remember all of this aesthetic, I remember it. So if you guys wanna get this fun, crazy, kooky, colorful, crazy look, stay tuned. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial today. Today I didn't have much to talk about during while I was doing the makeup because I was like, I gotta concentrate. This is a look. I gotta get back into the palette because I'm just tripping over this, the whole nostalgia. Okay, so this palette does give you beautiful 35 shades in them, and they do have like a rainbow effect, but some colors are very neutral. I'm gonna tell you right now off the bat, my favorite colors off the bat is gonna be, that one's gonna be Blanca, Zoomer and Zorbit. And then this one is going to be Panda Painter. These are so pigmented. Y'all see this white? Do you see that white? You know what that white reminds me of? It reminds me of the BH Cosmetic Mimosa palette. Go check out that video too, by the way. But I did end up drawing my cute little leopards, put a little sparkle on it. I said, this look gotta be crazy. It gotta be vomiting rainbows. It has to. There's another color in here. This one is called Hollywood Bear. Aw, Hollywood Bear. It has a smooth, wet feel to it. It's kind of like a browny, red, purple, maroon. It's an interesting shift to it. It's not triochrome, it's not duochrome, it's not none of that, but it just has a thing to it. The colors are very, we've seen them before, like very rainbow, but you can create crazy looks with it. And I still admit, I've seen a lot of rainbow palettes. I still like my Morphe Pride palette. I feel like that rainbow palette is just, it's superb. It just came out the right time, and it just really, it really gave you the best rainbow, in my opinion. This palette is so nostalgic, and then the names like Zoomer. I remember that, y'all, in the early 2000s and the late 90s or mid 90s, they always had Zoom and Zip and Zoober and Zorbits. They always had the Z's. It was like futuristic for them, like Xenon and all. They had all of that. I'm just looking at these names now. Now, the only thing I did realize with this palette that I really am not too fond of, y'all, is if you can see real close, the names are like a print, actually like a pink, but it's like a dark pink. It's kind of hard to see the names, really. I wish they would have made them like bright white or like bright holographic, you know what I mean? But it's like they made them just like a pink on top of this dark background. So I'm kind of like, why'd y'all do that? Because it's not like a hot pink either, like a bright Barbie hot pink. No, it's just kind of like, it's a pink, but it's like cool. I can't see that too much. I don't know why. Yeah, I do love the colors though. Like I said, the rainbow, we've all seen them before, but it's so nostalgic and it is pigmented. It does the job. Like you guys seen, I used the Morphe base just on the white, and I felt like I didn't even need to do that. I feel like, is it worth the $30? I feel like nostalgia wise, and it is pigmented, I feel like it is worth that. People that don't know about it, it probably won't be anything to you. If you're like, I didn't grow up around that, I don't get another rainbow palette, then I wouldn't get it if it's not nostalgic for you. So I didn't know they had a number on there. It's a 35B palette. I just call it the Morphe Lisa Frank palette because I'm like, y'all put a number, girl, just put Lisa Frank. Everybody gonna remember, okay? Everybody. I feel like it could have been a little bit more neon, or at least have a little bit more holographic in there, like a little hollow colors. They could have popped those in there. A little bit more neon, a little bit more holographic. But besides that, this palette, it lived up to it. Like I said, the packaging blew it out the water big time, big time. So like I said, I definitely tell people to grab, especially if it's nostalgic for you, grab it because you'll be very happy. Or my notepad that I have the little kitty cat on there, but now I got another one, but it's with makeup. So I'm just so happy these brands are growing up with me. Like, I'm so glad these brands are bringing stuff back from my childhood, and I'm just like, I'm excited. I cannot believe it. It makes me feel like a big kid. I never would have guessed I would have seen a Lisa Frank eyeshadow palette, especially with a name brand. I would have never guessed that. It's like, it's still wild to me that they did this. I'm like, this is so freaking cute. Thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and review of the new Morphe 35B, again, didn't know it was a number, Lisa Frank palette today. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. What is your favorite rainbow palette? And also, what is nostalgic to y'all? What other palettes y'all want to see them bring back from your childhood? Don't forget to hit the notification while you're down there as well. You guys know I'm about to say, I'm about to catch y'all on the next one. Bye.